Have you ever wondered how your favorite perfume is made? Let's explore the fascinating process behind it.
Perfumes begin with natural and synthetic ingredients like flowers, fruits, spices, and essential oils.
The fragrance oils are extracted using methods like steam distillation, solvent extraction, or cold pressing.
Expert perfumers carefully blend different oils to create a unique scent, balancing top, middle, and base notes.
The mixture is then aged for weeks or months to enhance the fragrance quality. Finally, the perfume is filtered, bottled, and packaged for sale. And that's how perfumes are made. Simple ingredients, expert blending, and a touch of art.